Moonlighting employees, we can assist in verifying the fact, if indeed it is the case. Salaried employees are required by law to declare to their employer or seek permission before engaging a second job or parallel occupation, as it is the employer's prerogative to allocate jobs to employees. You will be provided with indisputable evidence of such behavior in a short period of time.